Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Ethan, and today we are going to talk about how to stop being afraid to speak English.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Ethan, do you know many people who are afraid to speak English?
Yes, Mia, I know many people like that.
Why are they afraid?
They are afraid of making mistakes.
I think that is very common.
Yes, many English learners feel that way.
Were you ever afraid to speak English?
Yes, I was.
Really?
Yes, I felt nervous when I spoke English.
What made you nervous?
I worried about my grammar.
I understand.
I also worried about my pronunciation.
Many learners have the same problem.
That is true.
What helped you become more confident?
Practice helped me.
Just practice?
Yes, a lot of practice.
That sounds simple.
It is simple, but it takes time.
Did you practice every day?
I tried to practice every day.
What did you do?
I spoke to myself in English.
That is a good idea.
It helped me feel comfortable.
Did you make mistakes?
Of course.
How did you feel?
At first, I felt embarrassed.
Then what happened?
Later, I understood that mistakes are normal.
I agree.
Every learner makes mistakes.
Even advanced learners?
Yes, even advanced learners.
That is good to remember.
Definitely.
What is the biggest mistake learners make?
They wait too long before speaking
Why is that a problem?
because speaking improves speaking.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people need to hear it.
So, learners should start speaking early?
Yes, even if their English is not perfect.
Nobody is perfect.
Exactly.
What can beginners talk about?
Simple topics:
Like what?
family, food, hobbies, and daily life.
Those are easy topics.
Yes, they are familiar.
Let's imagine a beginner.
Okay,
What can they say?
they can say, "My name is Anna.
Good.
I am 20 years old.
Very simple.
I like music.
Nice.
I live in a big city."
Great examples.
Thank you.
Do learners need a perfect accent?
No, they do not.
Really?
Communication is more important.
That is true.
People want to understand you.
Not judge you.
Exactly.
What about confidence?
Confidence grows with practice.
It does not appear overnight,
No, it grows little by little.
like learning to ride a bicycle.
Yes, that is a good example.
At first, it is difficult.
Then it becomes easier.
I like that comparison.
Me too.
What about speaking with friends?
That can help a lot.
Why?
Friends make us feel relaxed.
Good point.
We worry less about mistakes.
What if someone has no English speaking friends?
They can practice alone.
How?
They can read aloud.
Nice idea.
They can record their voice.
That sounds helpful.
They can also repeat English sentences.
Like shadowing?
Yes, shadowing is excellent practice.
What is shadowing?
You listen and repeat immediately.
Very useful.
It improves speaking and pronunciation.
Let's teach some vocabulary.
Great idea.
What does confident mean?
Confident means believing in yourself.
Example?
I feel confident when I speak English.
Excellent.
Thank you.
What does nervous mean?
Nervous means worried or afraid.
Example?
I feel nervous before a presentation.
Very useful.
Many learners know that feeling.
Another word is mistake.
A mistake means something incorrect.
Example?
I made a mistake.
Perfect.
That is a common sentence.
Let's learn some grammar. Sounds good. We say, I speak English. Present simple tense. We say, I spoke English yesterday. Past simple tense. Speak becomes spoke. Yes, it is an irregular verb. Good example. Another one is go and went. I go to class. I went to class yesterday. Excellent. Grammar can be simple. Yes, one step at a time. Exactly. Let's practice pronunciation. Okay. Confidence. Confidence. Nervous. Nervous. Practice. Practice. Wonderful. Thank you. What advice do you have for shy learners? Start small. What do you mean? Speak one sentence today. Then, speak 2 sentences tomorrow. That sounds manageable. Small steps are powerful. I agree. Success builds confidence. What about you listeners? Are you afraid to speak English? Please write your answer in the comments. We would love to hear from you. What is your biggest challenge? Grammar, pronunciation, or confidence? Tell us below. Your experience may help other learners. If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for supporting the channel. Before we finish, let's remember something important. Making mistakes is normal. Speaking is how we learn. Every conversation is practice. Every mistake is a lesson. Every day is a chance to improve. That is a great message. Thank you. I hope our listeners feel more confident now. I hope so too. Today was a lot of fun. I enjoyed our conversation today. Thank you everyone for listening. See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone. Bye.